Hey everybody. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today, as you can tell by the title of this video, I am starting my Christmas decorations. So I am taking down all of my decor for fall, and I will be adding in my foyer the Christmas decor. So there are some things that you'll see me do that's kind of quirky in this video, and you'll see me go back and forth. That's how I feel like you get the best out of your decorations when you it's trial and error to me. So that's kind of what you'll see me doing here. I'll add, remove, don't like, try again, etc. So I'm going to stop talking and let you guys enjoy the video, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. Real quick, I did have to stop recording yesterday because I lost daylight, and so I needed to pick up again today, and so that's why you see me the next day finishing this up. So real quick, I wanted to tell you all what everything is from. The top shelf, the trees and the train are from Hobby Lobby, and everything there was 50% off. The 2 nutcrackers I got from Amazon. The bottom shelf, all of that was from TJ Maxx, except the candle and the candle holder. The candle is from Bath and Body Works, and I got that last year during the candle sale. The candle holder is from Target. And the Santa Claus, I believe I got that from the at-home store a few years ago, but I'm not quite sure. The garland is from Hobby Lobby. And I got that last year or year before last. I cannot remember, but I've had it for a while. I just wasn't sure where I wanted to put it. And looking right now as I am editing, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it up there. I kind of feel like right now it's taking away from what I've done. I think that the lights and the trees bring enough glam or extra to it, if you will. I think that the garland is taking away from the trees. It's clashing with the trees, and I'm not sure. I don't think I'm going to leave it up there. But anywho, I just want to tell you guys where everything was from.